What started as a small family-run heating company in 1972 now provides heating and cooling, electrical, plumbing, fireplaces, hot tubs, solar, and commercial services. Even in just the past 3 years, Barron Heating and Air Conditioning has grown substantially, nearly doubling the number of employees from 80 to 145 with the addition of their plumbing, electrical, and solar divisions. Barron's mission is to improve lives through comfort, health, and energy, and their core beliefs are evident in their people-first attitude. The company pays a family wage, provides generous benefits, flexible schedules, and invests hundreds of thousands of dollars in employee training. Each employee goes through core classes for ongoing professional development and to ensure the whole team is aligned on Barron's values and services. New employees need no experience. They can be fully trained, tuition-free through the Barron Technical School. And people love working at and with Barron Heating. The employees are empowered to do the right thing, to lend a helping hand, to serve, and to make a difference in their customers' lives.